Alright, peoples, it is Pizza 30. So we got Grace in Tennessee's, Zoe, mine, my meat pie, and then Christine's there. She has got pepperoni and pineapple. That's her favorite. So, and I pretty much have everything that was left over. That is how we start out the new food week. Yeah. So that, we'll wash it down with some carrots and we'll call it a night. Till tomorrow, we'll see ya. Alright, peoples, welcome to the freaking weekend. Saturday. Saturday means smoking something. And I'm talking meat, people. I'm talking meat. Okay, so here is, look at make it all pretty and stack it on here. Look at all like, yeah, right? All pretty like Legos. Anyway, that's the leftover dinner. We've already dished up our steaks. I got a big package because we are going to make a different dinner off of the bloody smoked steaks from tonight. So that'll be next night. The other dinner. Taters. What's left of asparagus on the smoker. So this is what you get. Potato steak, and there is some asparagus underneath there. I usually clean up all the onions after everybody because no one else likes the onions all sauteed. So that is what's for dinner on Saturday night. Are you waiting?
No.
Are you waiting?
No.
All I hear is people smacking on it. All right, guys, let's get on it. What's going on, peoples? Happy Sunday. Sunday means fresh loaves of bread day. That's what Sunday means around here. It means fresh loaves of bread. So we got some dinner going down over here. So we got a 2-for-1. Twofer. We've got leftover steaks from last night that I was telling you about. Half the family wants steak for dinner. The other half wants carne asada tacos. So I've got some steak cut up here for tacos. Got some steak going down right there. Got the tortillas there. Got the trimmings over here. And the lime rice that just went off over here. So between all of that, we should cover all of our food groups and all of our wants and needs for the dinner night. So let's get all this dolled up. Here is what we've got. Got some steak carnitas there. Not carnitas, steak tacos. A little bit of lime rice there. Call it a night, right? So that's happy Sunday. Hopefully you guys have a great work week.
Okay, it is Tuesday afternoon and I just reheated leftovers for lunch. We forgot to turn on the camera last night. I made 6 dinners in one night and I should have filmed it for you guys. Next time I do it, I will film it. But anyway, this was one of the dinners. They were all Instant Pot dinners. They're meant to go in the freezer, thaw for a little bit, and then you put them in the Instant Pot. So I think I'll film my process next time for you guys to show you. Anyway, this was a sweet potato, chicken, and kale soup from last night. It was really, really yummy. And we just served it with toast, with just bread on the side, and this made for a really quick, easy dinner, but I wanted to be sure to get the leftovers for you guys so you can see it and it tastes just as good as it looks.
What's going on, peoples? It is dinner 30 here on Tuesday, so we are going to go with something new tonight that we haven't had, I don't think, ever on this channel, and that's tacos. Psych! Taco Tuesday! Yay. Kids are excited. So we got our tortillas going on here. Got the chicken. We want chicken tacos tonight. A little bit of corn. Got some tortillas, and then all of our toppings right there. So we'll get all these dished up, and we'll give you the final product here. And I do want to say thank you for all those people out there. There was a few of you that commented about our taco seasoning that it might have dairy in it. We checked tonight, it does not have dairy in it. So
good, because we've been eating it for like 10 years.
Thank you for that. Yeah, we've been eating it for longer than 10 years since we've been married. So
for a moment.
Yeah. So anyway, we're good to go there. And then again, you know what? There's another first tonight that we haven't had in a long time. We've got 5 healthy people in this house. So thank you for all your thoughts and prayers there. So let's get on dinner. All right, guys. So here it is all dolled up. The only thing I'm missing is, well, everything. The rice and the corn. I don't have enough room on the plate here, so I'll have to come back because I was trying to get my taco on. Look at that. Slow-mo.
That looks like a taco truck dinner.
That looks like a taco truck dinner, right?
The expense.
So guys, that's it for Tuesday night. Hope your week's going well. We'll see you tomorrow.
Why are we eating dinner at
9 o'clock at night?
8:30 at night?
FYI, guys, when you throw frozen ice cubes in these, it takes a minute.
Oh, we only missed dinner by 10 minutes, guys. It's a church night, and so we abandoned the Instant Pot but it kept our dinner nice and hot, and our roast turned into stew.
Our roast is now beef stew.
There we go. It's a good night for beef stew.
It's a good night for beef stew.
So this was a freezer dinner. No, I did not say that. This is a freezer dinner, guys. I prepped those 6 dinners or 5 dinners, and I just pulled out of the freezer thinking I'd have enough time because it was a church night and we had to go to church. I mean, we wanted to go to church. So anyway, blah, 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 blah. It didn't get done in time. You can see me using my hands. But I will have Josh link these recipes. It is that pot roast right there, and it'll be down in the description box. We did not cook every recipe from that link, but anyway. How does it look?
Looking good, babe. Hope you're hungry for some meaty dinner.
That is what's for dinner on Wednesday.
Slater. All right, peoples. Welcome to the day of the end of the week of the last dinner of the food vlog. Yeah, that doesn't confuse you. So we're gonna go back with the chicken bacon ranch sweet potato bake, but we have to admit the sweet potatoes because we ran out, and we're just gonna do regular taters. Regular taters. So you guys liked this last time because I guess it was really colorful. I guess looks yummy, right? So I got it all dialed in here. Goes in the oven for about 15 minutes, I think it is. Yep, 15 minutes. And kind of pre-bakes this, and we pull it out, then we put the chicken on top of it and bake it another like half an hour, and then it's done. So let's get this bad boy in the oven. All right, people, what do you think? Does that look good? Yeah, low and slow. So, we got a problem tonight. Chicken's still a little frozen. So, it says to put it back in now for 30 minutes. I'm guessing it's going to be 45 to an hour because the chicken's still got a little frozenness to it, but I will come in about 20 minutes when it's thawed a little bit and kind of open the chicken up. That way it's not a big block of meat and it'll cook better. Oh, peoples, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. So there it is. All low and slow and what are you doing?
Just sampling.
You're eating the bacon.
What roof could I oven?
It's hot. So there it is. That's what's for dinner. Chicken bacon ranch tonight. Thursday. All right, peoples, we are wrapping up this fun-filled week that we've spent with you on dinners. So hopefully you guys enjoyed everything this week. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment if there was something you liked or didn't like. And then we will catch you on the next dinner vlog. See ya.